What's going on, everyone? My name is Clinton Hayes. Welcome to Clay's Gaming. Today I will be playing Farm Life Simulator, wasn't it? I think that's what it was called. Today I'm going to be playing that for the next time. Maybe I can put it into a playlist. Ooh, look at that. Is it still not done? How is that plausible? I'm gonna go shop food. I'm gonna whack it with the wrong axe. That's what I'll do. I'm gonna do that. Where do I get those berries? I think I might have actually. But this game seems something for the middle one. Or this. Ooh, we're done. Wait a minute. What? Gold. Alright. How much moonlight do I have? Don't know. I can't figure that out. I'm gonna make a pumpkin. Boom. And so that's how it looks. Okay. Yes, you know. Hope the music isn't too loud. Okay. Don't think we're up on it. Hope it's not that loud. Wait, how much are those shears? They're, holy cow, that's a lot. Maybe I can get the bigger one. It's such a good. Hey, by the way, guys, could you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and please hit the like button. The only likes I've gotten are from in this house, so please do. I can't get on the tree. Why can't I get on the tree? I wanted to get on the tree, and why is that tree glowing? What the? I'm guessing this isn't a basic tree. Yeah. That's inside of my plot? Okay. What about you? Okay. Are you into this? Yes, you are. Are you? Nope. Okay, I'm gonna get wood. Okay. You already have it, so I didn't really have to say that now. Mushroom. I want that mushroom. Get that mushroom. Alright, I'm back. I got 60 pieces of logs, and my things are all done. So I think it's all done. Okay. Now what should I do? also get. I'm almost out of water. I guess I'm not really almost out of water. Okay. Oh, never mind. Okay. I was getting boring again. Sorry. What are those things at the top? What's in the shop? Nope. I don't have any V-Bucks. What should I use? Or get? Okay. What should I get? What is this thing? Farmer? What's that do? Windmill. And farmland? Large animal pen. Metal one? What is that? Chop away these trees right here. Is that a mushroom inside of a bush? I think that's a mushroom inside of a bush. That's strange. Yeah. Okay, I think I can sell this. Hey, the pumpkin is done. Oh, the pumpkins are done. Ooh, I like the pumpkins. I like the pumpkins a lot. Hey. Animals. I want to get animals. What's this? Lucky log leg. That's all I do. I think I'm going to get the smaller thing because I mean I haven't had this thing for too long. What I can put in house. Hey. Bok bagok. Wait, if that's a bok bagok box, then there are gonna have to be some big bok bagok box to eat out of this bok bagok feeder. Is that a barrel or a leaf? Is that a golden barrel? Hey. Okay. Oh, I didn't even water the thing. I'm not seeing it. The infinite water. I will sit here until they grow. Poof! Hey, it worked. That's good. Boom, 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 boom. I'm gonna place you here, and you here, and you here. And you here, and you here. The magic trick worked. I did it. Now I'm gonna go chop some trees. Ow. Oh, hi there. Hi. Hey, that's my swimming pool. Hey. Is this a cave over here? I just wanted to check it out. Kinda looks like it, doesn't it? I wanna swim. Hey, look, there's a secret in here. That'll be cool. Let me see. They missed out on a detail there. Oh wait, why am I doing that when I can just do it? What are you doing? Where is that? Got that because I don't think anyone who watches my videos. Why are you here? What are you doing? Ah! Wait, does that make this? Oh, that's cool. Wait, is he helping me? Maybe after the next time I harvest out of my plants, I will end the video there. Maybe I will. Wait, nope. I don't know, okay. Oh, I forgot how you do it. Now, the cats and the raccoons. Hey, it worked. Alright guys, that's it. I will be seeing you guys next time. Make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more from me. I hope you do, because I wanted to be a YouTuber for a long time, and now my dream has come true. Wait, what was I saying? Oh yeah, I'll see you guys later. I hope you have a nice rest of your day today, and I guess goodbye.